Hey everyone, welcome to another DelfStack tutorial. Today we'll explore how to save as an Excel workbook directly to your desktop. First, open your Excel workbook. Once you have it ready, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the File menu, select Save As. Now choose Browse and a window will pop up. On the left side of this window, look for the desktop folder and click on it. Next, type in a name for your file in the File Name field. Below that, you can also choose the file format like Excel Workbook or CSV depending on what you need. Once everything looks good, just click Save and that's it. Your file is now saved directly to your desktop for easy access. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.